Check it out guys! Welcome back to Lolo Creates. My name is Lauren and this is my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day today and I hope this video cheers you up in some way. In today's video we're going to be setting up our bullet journals for December. I decided to go with a packages and bows and gift tags theme. I thought this was pretty simple to create and you can always customize it however you want. If you aren't already, subscribe to my channel down below, hit the notification bell, and comment down below any theme suggestions you have for next year, including January, because I don't know what I'm going to do for that month yet. And let me know what you want for my bullet journal setup, and if you want any beginner tips for it, I will be sure to put them in that video. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm doodling the presents on the first page with my Pigma Micron in the size 05. I like the thickness the best. You can use whatever size you want though. As always, all my pens and their shades that I use will be linked in the description below. Feel free to play around with any colors you want to customize it to your own liking. I tried to do a variety of shapes on the front with the presents. I did 12 different styles of packages, which I thought was the perfect number. You can do as little or as many presents as you want. I'm using a red, dark green, and a golden yellow color. I tried to play around with which packages got which colors, and I tried to mix it up as much as possible. The bows on the tops of the packages are all kind of different. Some of them have the same style, but I tried to mix it up. I also played around with the styles that I put on the actual package itself. I put some stripes, I shaded some in, and took my white gel pen and colored on top of them to add some accents, make it look like different kinds of wrapping paper. And of course I brush lettered December in the middle. On the monthly spread, I really love how it turned out. I decided to make boxes and have them right next to each other this time instead of separate boxes. Mine are 5x5. You can mess around with it if your journal has different spacing. I put little tags on the top of each box for the day of the week. I'm going to fill that in later. And then on the bottom, I decorated with little packages. As always, I have my YouTube and Instagram growth trackers on the side. You can always put a tracker for anything you want. You can put monthly goals, upcoming test dates, whatever you want to put here. Or you can always decorate with extra things. I made mine look kind of like packages this month, and I think it looks really cute. Then I filled in the tags with the yellow color. I thought this was the perfect color to color the tags in with. Again, play around with the patterns and colors you use on the packages. I thought that those types of red bows on the sides were pretty cute, but you can always make them green or whatever color you want. I added in the days of the week. It turned out really cute, and December up top in brush calligraphy. For the next spread, I had fun playing around with the bow and a tag. So I made a little square and put the bow up top, and then the right side I just drew a little tag and I colored them in. The left bow was red and the right tag I colored in my yellow color. You can use these for anything you want. I like using them for my monthly playlist, and on the right side I thought it was the perfect month to do a gifts to buy, so that's what I put over there. For the first weekly spread, I decided to do some gift bows down the center of the page, and it split it up into 4 sections for the days of the week. And since there's 8 on here, I'm going to make one of them into a events for the week or month, whatever I decide in the future. I did mess up a little bit on the right side, but I decided to make the bow striped because of this. You can keep yours plain and simple, but it actually adds a cute little touch to have striped bows. And then I colored in the ribbon red, leaving the middle stripe white. Then I wrote all the days of the week and events in caps on top. For the second weekly spread, I decided to split it up into 6 boxes, and they are 3/4 of the page on the left and the right, so you can figure out how many boxes it is in your journal. The outside columns were left for doodling little presents. And then colored in the gifts, and you can make it however you want, add as many patterns as you want, color it whatever colors you want, and it will turn out good. Adding in the white gel pen gives it some cute accents and touches, so if you want to do that, go ahead. And I finished the spread off by adding the days of the week. For the next spread, I decided to split up the page into their own little gift boxes. I wanted to switch up the style of bow that I had on each one, so I tried to do that as best as I could. Each of my boxes are 11 by 14. Again, yours might be a little bit different if you're using a different journal. I'm using the Leuchtturm 1917. I also colored in the gift bows with different colors, trying to make it a little bit different for each one. And then I wrote the days of the week on the bottom of each box. Since there were 8, the last one was left for events, and you can use this for a to-do list or whatever you want. For the last weekly spread, I decided to split it up in the center as a little gift package. So that was 8 boxes from the center of the page on the left and 8 boxes on the center from the right. And then I split the outside into 6 boxes. In the middle, I decorated it with thick and thin alternating stripes, and I added in the ribbon for the top. On the sides, I added in brush calligraphy with the day of the week. Since there were only 6 boxes, I decided to add Saturday and Sunday together. And here's a final flip through of all my spreads. Again, my favorite is the monthly. Let me know which one is your favorite down in the comment section below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today, and please check out my last month's bullet journal setup and subscribe to my channel here, as well as go to my Instagram, which is at @lolo_creates. See you next time.